everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, it's a final episode this week for the show on Mzansi Magic. Pastor wants a wife, and social media is concerned ngokuthi uPastor uzokhetha bani between three ladies asesele manje. Pastor Tshego has presented himself as unpredictable person. Last time he said he don't want Dudu to raise her hopes too high, yet he always allows her to go extra mile with those hugs and kisses, leaving everyone convinced that Dudu is the one. On the previous episode, we learned that Pastor has been sending DMs to Babalwa, one of the ladies he eliminated last time, raising many questions from the viewers. Some believe that Pastor is attracted to Carol, who friend-zoned him on the previous episode. Guys, on the other side, Dudu is falling for Pastor, and it's only fair to show her if he doesn't feel the same instead of indulging her with kisses and empty promises. One of the concerned viewers posted, Dudu is a gone girl, guys. You can just tell the way she kisses Tshego. She does it with passion. My worry is Tshego might break her heart. Yeah guys, I'm also worried about her. And I wish Pastor can choose her, but again, if he doesn't feel the same way as Dudu, it's okay to be honest with that. I have a feeling though that Pastor might choose no one between the three ladies. That brings us to the end of this video, guys. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.